So welcome back to the next part of the paper. You can see the link in the description for the first part of this paper. So let's start. Question number 16. Here a train leaves at 8:15 in the evening. 8:15 in the evening, that means 8:15 p.m. Write the time using 24-hour clock system. So we have to convert this into 24 hours, so just add 12 in this. So 12 plus 8, it is 20 and 15. So we'll write down 15 hours for that. So then question number 17. Draw a ring around all the multiples of 25 in the table. So we are given some numbers here, so we need to draw a ring around the multiples of 25. So to check the divisibility, any number which is divisible by 25 will be multiple of the 25. So to check the rule, so the rule is if the last two digits are zeros or number formed by last two digits is multiple of 25. So this is the rule to check the divisibility by 25. So for that we can check last two digits should be 0 or they should be multiple of 25. So if you see here, these two are not multiple of 35. There are two zeros, so definitely this is the multiple, and 65 is also not multiple of 25. So multiples of 25, basically it will be 25, 50, 75, 00. So you need to have these numbers at the end. So we have 350 here, and the other one you can see is 675. So these are the three numbers that are multiples of 25. Question number 18. Here are four numbers. We are given four numbers here. Use each number once to make these statements correct. So we need to make these statements correct, that we are given signs here. So by using only these numbers, we can write down here. If you see, it's easy if you fill this one first. So you see the last digit is 6. So for the 6 we can have and the numbers, then when you add these two. So if you add these two, let's say this is 35.2 and 36.4. So 2 plus 4, 6, plus 5, it is 11. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 5, 11, and 3 plus 6. So this cannot be entered in here, so that means we will choose another one. So this is not working. So afterwards we can see this is 9 plus 2, 11, 9 plus 4, 13. We are looking for the last digit actually to make it 6. So 9 plus 7 is 16. So maybe this can work. So let's see, 33.9 plus 38.7. 9 plus 7 is 16. 8 plus 4 is 12. So this is this word here. So we can write down here 33.9 and 38.7. So that means we have done this one and this one. Now we have only these two numbers remaining here. So now we'll see which one fit here. So we need a number here which is less than 36.2. So which is 35.2 is less than 36.2. And here we need a number which is greater than 35.1, which is 36.2. 4. So that was question number 18. So let's move to next question. Question number 19. Write 13 over 8 as a mixed number. So for that we need to divide 13 by 8. So 13 by 8, it is 8 times 1 is 8, 13 minus 5. So whenever you write this, so 13 over 8 can be written, this is denominator, it will remain denominator, and remainder is 5, which always remains up here, and divisor goes here. So 1 5 over 8 is the answer as a mixed fraction. Now question number 20. Here are 5 number cards. You can see we have 5 number cards here, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Draw lines to match the card with the same value. So we are looking which one is same. So let's see, we have to do some calculations here. 4 hundreds, so 40 hundreds, so we need to times it by 100. So when you time it 100, it will become 4 1 2 3 30, it became 4000. This is 40 tens. 40 tens means times 10, so this is 400. Okay, now this is 400 100, so again times 100 here. So here will be 1 2 3 4 zeros, and this is times tens, 400 tens, so it will become 1 2 3 zeros here, and this is units, so we are just multiplying it by 1, so this is 400. Now see which one is same here. So you can see this and this card have same value, 400 400, and this card is same, 4000 and the 400 tens. So that was it. Now number 21, complete the calculation, the following. So 7, as you know, 7 times 7 is 49, so write 49. So there is one decimal place, so one decimal place. Simple, you need not to actual do here the multiplications. Now we have here 48 divided by 6, so 6 times 8 is 48. 6 times 8 is 48, so we have one decimal place, so you will put one decimal place is 0.8. Now here you have digit 12 and 8, 12 and 4, so it is 48. So 48, then you have 0 here, write 0, and then 1 is gone, decimal is here, 40.8, or you can just write down directly as 48. So that was question number 21. Question 22. Here is a shape on a 5 millimeter square grid. So this grid is 5 millimeters. So the question is, write the area of the shape in centimeter squares. So we are given the grid in 5 millimeters, so that means this one is 5 millimeter. So if you add these two, this will become 1 centimeter. So that means this two grids will make 1 centimeter, and here it is also 1 centimeter. So if you complete this square here like this, so this will be 1 by 1 centimeter squared. So now we can see this one here. So now we need to find out the area in centimeters squared. So we can see this one is here. How many squares are we making here? Let's see. So it is 1 2 3 4. Then you need not to do, actually I'm just showing you, 5 6 7 and 8 9, this is 10 here, then 11 12, this is 13 and 14, 15 16, 17 18 19 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So how many squares do you see here? We have 24. So the area will be 24 centimeter squared. Now next is the shape is net of a cube. Write down the length of one edge of the cube in centimeters. Again in centimeters. So this is cube actually. So a cube has 6 faces. So let me show you the 6 faces here. This is 1, then 2, this will be 3, this is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we need to write down the length of one edge. So any one edge, so they can see this one here 1 centimeter and 1 centimeter. So this total edge, this will be 2 centimeters. This is 2, this is 2. All these edges will be 2 centimeters. So answer will be 2 centimeter here. Now question number 23. Hassan finds the product of two multiples of 10. The answer is 2400. List all the calculations that gives his answer. So that means like we see how can you get this 2400. 24 can be taken by, there are different ways. So let me show you, like 1 times 24 you get 24, 2 times 12 you get 24, 3 times 8 you get 24, and then 6 times 4 you get 24. But we need 2400. So that means we are going to add here the zeros. So you can choose any of them. As we are not given any other condition, Hassan finds the product of two multiples of 10. We need multiples of 10. I can choose any of them. List all the calculations. So we can write down all of them, like we can add zeros here to make this 2400. So if you need 2 zeros here, so that means we need to add 1 zero here in all of them. So these are the all calculations. So it will be 10 times 240, not this one, then 20 times 120, 30 times 80, 60 times 40. So they all gives us 2400, and they all are multiples of 10. Now question number 24. Here are incomplete calculations. So we have 1000 total here. This is 3-digit number, 3-digit number. So we need to use only the digits 3, 6, 7 to complete this calculation. Each digit can be used. We can use more than once. So let's see. So we have here 3-digit number, here 3-digit number. So answer is 1000. Okay, so when you add them, so we are using these numbers. So if you use this number, so this 3 and 7, it will make it 10. So we will have carry 1 here. So then we need one other number. If we write here, let's say 6 here, then we can write down 3 here. 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10. Again here 1. So again then you can write down here, because we can use only these numbers here. So 6 here and 3. 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 10 again. So we can put it here 6, 6, 3, 3, 3, 7. So that's how we can solve this. Now question number 25. The line graph shows the average temperature in Athens for 8 months. So for the 8-month temperature is given to us. You can see temperature is this side here, starting from 0 up to 30 degree the graph is, and here we have the 8 months, October to May. So Naomi wants to visit Athens in month when the average temperature is higher than 20 degrees Celsius. List all the months she could choose. We need to check the months. We need to check the months which are having temperature higher than 20 degrees Celsius. So 20 degrees Celsius is here. So let's put one line here. So this is the temperature 20 degree Celsius, and we need the temperature higher than that. We need the months that have temperature higher than that. So we can see we have 1, 2, 3 and 4 months here. So let's see which months are they. So you go down here. If you go down here, which month is this? This is October. And the other one, if you go down here, this is November. And here if you go down, this is April. And if you go down here, we have here May. So we can write down all these looking at the graph. So this point, this one, this and this, they give us October, November, April and May. Question number 26. 3 two-digit numbers are added together. So we have 3 two-digit numbers. Okay, 3 two-digit number. The total is 60. The largest number is 9 multiplied by 3. So we have 3 different numbers, like here 1, 2, 3, 2 digits number, and their sum is 60. Okay, so first condition, the largest number is 9 multiplied by 3. 9 multiplied by 3, it is 27. So I can write down 27 here. The smallest number is multiple of 6. Now there are many multiples of 6, like 6, 12, 6, 12, 18, then 24 and so on. So the smallest number is multiple of 6. So 27, the largest number. So we cannot have number greater than 27. So that means we do not have other conditions. So we cannot take any, we can take any number below this, because other numbers are going to be greater than that. So let's choose here 12. So if I write 12 here, so then let's see what should come here. 7 plus 2, 9. So after 9 you need 10 here. So that means we can add 1 here. So it will be 1 carry here. 2 plus 1, 3, 4, 4, and you need 6. You have to put 2 here. So you can see this is again less than 27. So we have met all the conditions. So 27, 12 and 21 will go in these blank spaces. Question 27. Perry and Yuri each think of different numbers. Yuri says, we double our numbers. My answer is 16 more than Perry's answer. Perry's answer is 23. Work out Yuri's number. The question is like, they think of the different number. So Perry's number is 23. So he said, if we double the number, if you double this will become 46, and this answer, his answer, Perry's answer is, and Yuri's answer, he said like it is 16 more than this. So that means his number is 46 plus 16. So this is 6 plus 6, 12, 62. So this number is when you double it. So we need to find out by dividing it. So when you divide 62 by 2, it is 31. So final answer here, it will be 31. Now move to next question. Question number 28. Here is a number line. So you can see number line from 1 to 10,000. Estimate what number is shown by arrow A. So if we see here this number, because we are not given like this is not to the scale, so we can choose this, like use the scale here. And so this is, there are 10 sections, so this one is 5, so that means this will be around 5,000, half of this. So this is 4,000 here, and this is around 3 here, so this is coming in middle here, 5,000. So you can just make sections also. So like this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So this will be 1,000, 2,000, 3,000. This is maybe a little more than that, so it can be 3,600. Now draw an arrow to show the number 500 less than the number shown by arrow B. So you can see we have to draw an arrow to show 500 less than the number shown by arrow B. Arrow B is here, so this gap is of 1,000. So we can put 500 will be in the middle. So this will go here. Okay, now question number 29. I think this is the last question. Safia says you can solve the problem 16 times 34 by multiplying 34 by 10 and by 6 and then adding the two answers. Use Safia's method to calculate 16 times 9. So as we are given that 16 times 34 can be done 34 by 10, then plus 34 by times 6. So this is given to us. So we have 16 times 9. So this can be done 9 times 10 plus 9 times 6 here. 9 times 6. So 9 times 10 and 9 times 6. So this is 90. 9 times 6 is 54. So when you add this, you will get 144. So that is the final answer here. So that's the end of this paper. So I hope you understood all these questions. If there is any question, you can let me know in the comment section. So, and let me know if there is any paper you want me to do for you guys. Thanks for watching. Please share with your friends and subscribe the channel.